Have you ever looked across a room and wished for separate zones, maybe a home office corner, a reading nook, or a kid's play area, without building permanent walls? Imagine transforming your open space with creative room dividers that bring style, privacy, and function. Today, we're exploring 10 unique divider ideas, from freestanding screens to sculptural shelving, that elevate your layout from open concept to tailored zones. Whether you're in a studio, loft, or expansive living area, these ideas help you define purpose with flair. Ready to split the space in style?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What should you consider when selecting a freestanding folding screen? Start with size and scale. The screen should cover the width you need and reach within 6 to 12 inches of the ceiling to feel intentional, while maintaining a sense of openness. For materials, wood louvered screens bring warmth and partial privacy, while woven rattan or cane allow natural light. Resin or acrylic panels in ombre or patterned finishes feel modern and artful. Choose lightweight, collapsible frames for flexibility. Fold them flat when not in use, or angle them for dynamic visual interest. Consider color coordination. A dark stained wood screen anchors neutral hues, while a painted panel in bold tones injects character. Select hinges that fold flat and stay open without wobble. With the right scale and material, a folding screen becomes a statement piece that respects your space and design. Share this if you'd love a stylish way to define living areas without walls. How do open shelving units work as room dividers? Open shelves offer functional division without blocking sightlines or natural light. Opt for a double-sided shelving unit roughly 4 to 6 feet high, tall enough to create separation, low enough to preserve a cohesive spatial flow. Use cubbies to display books, decorative objects, plants, and baskets, turning the shelf into intentional decor from both sides. Mix sealed boxes and open cubbies for concealed storage and visual interest. Consider staggered shelf configurations to break grid uniformity, with stepped levels that delight the eye. If usable on one side only, anchor to the floor and ceiling for stability. Freestanding units work best when double-sided. Paint or finish the back of shelves in a coordinating color to integrate both zones. A well-designed shelving divider not only defines space, but also provides essential storage and keeps flow natural. How do sliding panel systems combine structure with style? Sliding panels offer a sleek, modern take on dividers. Wall-mounted tracks above allow flat panels, louvered wood, frosted glass, decorative metal, or upholstered, that slide to open or close. A set of 3 to 5 panels creates flexible options, stack to one side, overlap in the middle for full closure, or angle them for staggered profiles. Use panels filled with corkboard or whiteboard for a functional home office partition that doubles as a workspace. Motorized models add convenience and sophistication in larger spaces. Panels pair well with lighting effects. Backlight frosted glass for ambiance, or let natural light pass through. With track systems, you have the permanence of walls with the fluidity of sliding doors, elegant and tailored to modern living needs. What are the benefits of curtain room dividers? Fabric dividers are versatile, affordable, and easy to install without tools. Start by measuring the ceiling track to cover the desired width just above where a permanent partition would be. Choose heavier fabrics, like linen, cotton blend, or velvet, for better drape and light diffusion. Stick with solid neutrals to create calm zones or patterned panels to act like textile art. For flexibility, hang double tracks to layer sheer and blackout curtains for privacy or openness at different times. Incorporate tiebacks that match your color palette for elegantly framing when not in use. Rolling the divider completely to one side visually restores your lifestyle space. Fabric panels can also act as acoustic dampers in open-plan areas. With curtains, you gain the softness and adaptability of walls, without any demolition or build time. How do decorative screens and panels inject art into your space? Decorative dividers turn the wall into a canvas. Laser-cut metal panels with geometric or botanical motifs offer light, reflection, and pattern. Painted or powder-coated finishes in crisp white, matte black, or bronze highlight the design. Use plywood panels cut into lattice shapes, then paint or stain for a softer, natural look. Panels can be hinged or fixed to floor and ceiling with channels for more permanence. Backlighting or shadows cast across the divider bring dynamic texture. These artistic screens function as sculptural elements and divider solutions simultaneously. Materials such as acrylic or resin panels with inlaid resin waves can serve as low-impact installations over time. By opting for decorative screens, you're drawing focus to the divider as a focal piece instead of hiding it. How can glass or acrylic partitions enhance openness while dividing spaces? Glass partitions offer separation with transparency. Frosted or textured glass panels mounted in slim metal or wood frames evoke room definitions without visual blockage. They still allow light flow and give a clean, spa-like aesthetic. For a modern loft, black-framed industrial-style glass walls create defined zones with architectural detail. Acrylic panels in clear or tinted hues provide impact resistance and lighter weight than glass. Use channel tracks for stability if raised from the floor, or framed panels with clamp systems. Top it off with a sliding door panel for easy access. With glass or acrylic dividers, your space gains both structure and spaciousness, balancing privacy and openness beautifully. How do rope or macrame dividers bring Bohemian flair? Textile-based dividers with texture add softness and charm. Macrame drapes hung from ceiling rods create a semi-transparent wall with organic movement. Use cotton rope panels with spaced knots to encourage airflow and visibility while still separating zones. Incorporate beads, metal accents, or color-dipped ends for dimension. These panels are lightweight, easy to install, and movable for cleaning or storage. Consider using multiple narrow rods for stacking or day-night variation. Rope dividers are DIY feasible, which allows you to customize length and design. This hands-on, crafty approach adds tactile appeal and a personal touch to your space, evoking a peaceful, artsy mood. Ever wake up feeling like your nightstand is more clutter than calm? Imagine a bedside table that doesn't just hold your essentials, but sets the tone for your entire space. Today, we're exploring 10 bedside table design ideas that elevate functionality, inject style, and create the perfect bedside experience. Whether your room is cozy, modern, or classic, these ideas will help you curate a bedside haven that matches your habits and personality. Ready to redesign your bedtime routine?